Hey guys! What's up? It's me! Siguro nakalimutan niyo na ako, no? Kasi it's been a decade that I'm gonna do a reaction video again. So, siguro na-miss niyo ba ako? Kasi hindi ko kayo na-miss. Pero, guys, how many decade na hindi na ako nakapag-reaction video dito sa YouTube? Pero kasi ano muna ako, nagbakasyon. Nagbakasyon. Chart lang. So, pero guys, na-miss ko kayo. Ako ba na-miss nyo? Charot lang. Joke lang. Kahit hindi nyo ako na-miss. Pero na-miss ko na kasi mag-reaction video. Hindi na talaga, I don't know what happened to me, pero kasi nagbakasyon ako. Basta nagbakasyon ako sa malayong malayo. Sa malayong malayo. And now, siguro ito na naman, magsa-start na naman ako ng reaction video. Tapos, decade na naman again bago ako mag-reaction ulit. But, I gonna try my best again to do it some other time. Maybe a month, or once a month, or twice a month. Maybe like that. It's up to me. Pero, so, welcome back again to me. It's me, Angika Vlogs. No, it's Angie's Reacts, not Angika Vlogs anymore. Angika Vlogs is gone anymore. So, it's Angie's Reacts. Sharing lang ang arte. So, anyway, guys, you know naman siguro na, siguro na nandito ako. I'm gonna do a reaction video again for my favorite singer. No other from Indonesia, no other than Vonnie Vaviala, o diba? So, na-miss ko siya talaga, super, as in, talaga, walang halong issues, basta na-miss ko siya. So, I gonna do a reaction video of her cover song, cover song. This one is, the singer is Rod Stewart. Have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Hindi ko alam yung kanta, pero parang title niya, ang ganda. Have you ever seen the rain? I don't know if this one is a dramatic or emotional song. I don't know. I have no idea, but I gonna do a reaction video for this. So, anyway. So, without a further ado, we're gonna do a reaction video of Vonnie Vaviala. Have you ever seen the rain? I gonna start the video. Have you ever seen the rain? Hindi siya more emotional song.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
may pa ganun siya, may pa blinking eye. So that's it, guys. I'm done reacting Vani Viola cover song. Have you ever seen the rain by Rhoda Stewart? By Rhoda Stewart. It's really been a decade. It's really been a decade that since I saw Vani Vaviola and heard her voice, and I'm really I'm really impressed again for hearing her voice again and her beauty. She's really blooming always, and then you know that she sang this song. It's a very clear, like a water, clear water, or like a crystal clear. Like, nabubulal na ako. Hindi ko na alam mag-reaction. It's very crystal clear. And it was so beautiful. Since I saw Vani Vaviola again, I really admire her because, you know, the way she sang, it's even a original song or a cover song, she really feel the message of the song or the lyrics of the song. She really feel that, and even it's emotional, you can cry if she sang the song, and it's really directly true to your heart because the way she sang the song, it's a very sweet and lovely. And you know, Vani Vaviola is a very gifted person, because not only Vani Vaviola, is also her husband, because her husband is also a singer and singer songwriter. Yeah, a singing songwriter, her husband also. And Vani Vaviola is from Indonesia, and I know all the Indonesians is very proud to her because she's a really she's really what do we call this, she's a really precious one. Oh, a precious one, like that. It's my opinion, guys, and it's up to you. What is it? um and about the song, it's not emotional, and it's not a sadness, but it's also like a rocking a song because of Vani Viola. It's juggle, and indeed with matching, biting her teeth with a giggle like and it's really super amazing again hearing her voice. So maybe that's it, guys, for today's video, and thank you so much for who's watching this video. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it with all of my bottom of my heart, from the bottom of my heart. Is I really appreciate it and watching my video. And to all my followers or my watcher or my friends here in YouTube that uh, didn't left me, leave me, and thank you so much. I really miss you guys. Maybe this is the started again to doing a reaction video because I really miss it. And hope you have a good day. And bye. See you again sa naman na next reaction video. Love you. Bye bye.